Hello, I'm Sebastian. Welcome to Nine Natries podcast. Today, I will summarize and review the book. In Human Errors, a panorama of our glitches from pointless bones to broken genes, Nathan H. Lentz, a professor of biology, takes readers on an engaging and enlightening tour of the imperfections that define the human body. With a combination of scientific rigor and accessible writing, Lentz delves into the quirks and shortcomings that remind us that evolution is less about perfection and more about adaptation and survival. From vestigial structures to the inefficiencies of our genetic code, Lentz provides compelling evidence of our evolutionary history and how our bodies are a collection of compromises and jury-rigged solutions. Through anecdotes, evolutionary biology, and a touch of humor, Human Errors invites us to ponder the beauty and complexity of our flawed selves. I will give you key takeaways from this book. Firstly, vestigial structures. Vestigial structures are parts of the body that were useful to our ancestors but have lost their original function over time due to evolution. Nathan H. Lentz discusses various examples such as the appendix, wisdom teeth, and the tailbone, highlighting the evolutionary journey of humans. The existence of these structures serves as evidence of our evolutionary past and showcases how not all evolutionary changes confer an advantage. Lentz explains how these leftover body parts can sometimes cause health issues, illustrating the imperfect nature of human biology and the compromises made during the evolutionary process. Secondly, genetic imperfections. Lentz explores the realm of genetic imperfections in humans, ranging from broken genes to redundant DNA sequences that no longer serve a purpose. He clarifies how mutations and genetic variations can lead to vulnerabilities and diseases, exemplifying the random and chaotic aspect of evolution. By discussing examples such as the persistence of genetic diseases and the complex regulation of our genome, Lentz elucidates the flaws in our genetic code that result from our evolutionary history. This topic not only deepens our understanding of genetics, but also highlights the limitations of natural selection in producing perfect beings. Thirdly, the human brain and its flaws. The human brain, despite its complexity and capabilities, is subject to numerous shortcomings and inefficiencies. Lentz delves into cognitive biases, memory inaccuracies, and the brain's tendency to seek patterns even when none exist. By examining these cognitive glitches, Lentz shows how our brain's evolution has been a trade-off, optimizing certain functions at the cost of others. He argues that understanding our brain's imperfections can lead to better decision-making and a more compassionate view of human behavior, acknowledging that even our mental processes are products of an imperfect evolutionary process. Fourthly, sensory and physical limitations. Lentz addresses the limitations of human senses and physical abilities, contrasting them with other species that possess superior capabilities. For instance, he points out our relatively poor sense of smell compared to many animals and our lack of built-in defense mechanisms. These comparisons underscore the adaptive nature of evolution, where humans have traded certain physical attributes for cognitive skills and social cooperation. Lentz's discussion invites us to reflect on the trade-offs in human evolution and appreciate the unique niche humans occupy despite our physical limitations. Lastly, evolutionary trade-offs and adaptations. In discussing evolutionary trade-offs and adaptations, Lentz highlights how the process of evolution involves a series of compromises rather than aiming for perfection. From the inefficiency of our energy metabolism to the design of our skeletal structure, Lentz showcases how evolution has shaped humans with a focus on survival and reproduction rather than finesse. Through this lens, readers gain insight into the pragmatic, sometimes messy nature of evolutionary change and the ingenious ways humans have adapted to their environment. This perspective challenges the notion of intelligent design and emphasizes the dynamic, ongoing nature of evolution. In conclusion, Nathan H. Lentz's Human Errors, a panorama of our glitches from pointless bones to broken genes, is a profound exploration of the imperfections that lie at the heart of the human condition. This book is essential reading for anyone interested in evolutionary biology, genetics, or simply understanding more about the human body. Lentz's accessible writing makes complex scientific concepts understandable and engaging, showcasing the beauty in our biological imperfections. By embracing our flaws, we can develop a deeper appreciation for the evolutionary processes that have shaped us. Human Errors not only informs, but also invites readers to view themselves and humanity as a whole in a new, more compassionate light. Whether you are a scientist, a student, or just curious about the quirks of the human body, this book has something to offer that can enrich your understanding of what it means to be human. If you would like to support Nathan H. Lentz, you can buy the book through the Amazon link I provided in the podcast description. After reading the book, please let me know what you think and share your thoughts. See you around.